Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 9. Its title is Domestic Duties and Chores. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Oral Communication Skill, we are going to learn how to exchange routine greetings. Before this, in English for grade 2, we have already learned about routine greetings. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group, to exchange and respond to routine greetings and courtesies. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's a beautiful hadith mentioned in Sahih Muslim 54. Abu Huraira Razila ta'ala anhu reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, shall I show you something that if you did, you would love each other? Spread peace between yourselves by saying Assalamu alaikum. Yes, my dear students, beta, what this beautiful hadith is telling us, our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has given us a message like, if you want to love each other, spread peace. And what is the way to spread peace? When you meet each other, say Assalamu alaikum, right? So you see how beautifully our religion teaches us everything. So whenever, and better, we should say salam to everyone, not just to our known ones, our parents and our friends. Whoever you meet on the way, in the school, at school gate, like your school guard, all the people on the way you meet, you should say Assalamu alaikum, right? So this is a beautiful sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and it's a beautiful gesture, right? So we are going to learn more about routine greetings today. So first, you tell me, what are basic social courtesies and what do you know about greetings? We have learned about it before, so pause the video, answer these questions, and then come back. Yes, my dear students. So what are basic social courtesies? We know we have to show our manners all the time, how we should be polite. And how we show this politeness, we say Assalamu alaikum, thank you, excuse me, please. And if something bad happens, we say I'm sorry, and words like that. Okay, when someone says thank you, we say welcome. Things like that. These are good manners. These are basic social courtesies. Okay. And how do we greet? Alhamdulillah, we are Muslims. We just learned we should say Assalamu alaikum. This is a greeting. And if someone says Assalamu alaikum to us, how should we respond? We should say Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The better you reply, it's even good, right? Okay, so we say Assalamu alaikum, and when someone say Assalamu alaikum, how do we reply? Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah, right? So this is greeting, and this is how do we respond to this greeting. So this is a conversation between two girls. How do they greet? One says she's Sarah and she's Aisha. You see, beta, this is how in routine we greet. One says Assalamu alaikum, she says Wa alaikum assalam. Then, how are you? So first thing, you can ask, how are you? How are you feeling today? How's your day? I'm fine. How are you? So when someone asks you, how are you? First tell about yourself. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. And then you should also, how are you? Now, what does Sarah say? I'm fine too. So you should also say, I'm fine too. Thank you. I'm glad to see you after so many days. They are meeting after so many. So this is how small sentences we exchange. She says, oh, let's go to the dining room. Barbecues are ready for dinner. Wow, I like barbecues. So these are small sentences. When we meet each other, this is how we greet, and we can talk about few little things. Okay. She says, let's go and eat. Thank you. And what she said, you're welcome. Okay, when someone says thank you, we say you're welcome, right? Okay. So let's see, what does your book say about it? All of you, open your book on page number 74. Here is a pattern given, like for dialogue of two people. So we are going to practice it through an activity. What the activity is, teacher will divide the class in pairs, and the students will come in front of the class and practice routine greetings and courtesies. You may follow the same pattern or you can talk on your own, but teachers kindly check, are they greeting properly and are they responding to greeting properly? So this is our focus for this activity. Pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. And better, this greeting which we learnt in classroom, you should practice it everywhere. All right. Okay, so it's time for your homework. What you will do, you will visit one of your relatives with your parents and record how do you exchange and respond to routine greetings and courtesies. So let's see who does it nicely. This is your homework, and here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students to practice routine greetings. So what we have learned today, we learned to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to exchange and respond to routine greetings and courtesies. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.